Menteri Sorkar Jela Wakmi Ekatenat Taxation James PK Sangma hakashfau trek risau hajar arpuar. Ula pentep bagi Sorkar Jela kan selum ke Jingialang bat Nongialam jangka khas jantia Church Leaders Forum KJCLF banetai sani Halor ke Jingdawa jongki kata ban ombo yaka kasino hari boy bat ban penduk pendamno yaka an Khalai neka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act. Iakren bikin orang pathai kubor James PK Sangma ulong bakalong ke badan kam ke Sorkar Jela ban sengap ikinu ki sur jing sengokya jong kinu ki kenhun ki bami khmat ki balang bat ke Sorkar kan selum ke Jingialang ban Iakren ki nega kam bad an sakmi bnya kumno ban le ban penya chkhmat ya ke nega kam. Kani ke Iakren James PK Sangma ke hadian baka KJCLF hakah nyau tarik urisau hajar arpuar. Kalau penlong ya ke Jingialang bo jingdawai kerpang haka KJP English Service Church kebadan hakan dailat ban pen ko ongo ya ke Sorkar Jela ban pen sange no ke jingtmu ban bo ya ke kasino hari boy bat ban pendam no ya ke Gaming Act.
And I would like to also tell you this that I will be setting up a meeting to discuss this issue with them and to see how we can take things forward.
James PK Sangma ulapan pau bagi jingsha kawang tia gas ne katadam pensat khmat kino hikai kalong ke aka ke ba amla ban pediang satya khamtam habaga jingi ki jongki kalong ke bajai jai. James PK Sangma ulong bagi bor pulit kemla ban penon kam da ke bakawang da ke tia gas sikipat ba ne kino hikai ke ba penlong ya ki jingi ki ke bajai jai. Ulong bagane ke jingsha kawang tia gas kino hikai kalong ke aka ke ba amla ban pediang bat kalong ru ke jingja ke basmusi bat omde syuk banja kumnia nang ni syakmat.
It was uncalled for any kind of force used on not just teachers but any section of society who wants to peacefully protest. I think it's very uncalled for and very unfortunate. It should not have happened.
Kawai pat kaliang Nongialam ke NPP James PK Sangma ulong bak All India Trinamool Congress kabadan hakaliang persya. Kaba syutu iki MLA hakajela kam dan hok ban kam bakayang nagabenta surjung patba. Hakabede bagajing keno ke All India Trinamool Congress bak Sorkar MDA kadap deki kam bamsap. James PK Sangma ulong baki beriau ki baim hagi yeng masnar kayet kemdai satya ban kawang mau syeki yeng jeki wei pat ki beriau. Bar ulapan kan mau ru baki beriau ki badan hakaliang persya ki dairu ki badan haki Sorkar haki senam ki balalet. Ulong baban sukan no bat kedau keti ki waipat klem ki sakhi bala ban pensisha kalong ke babakla shibun. Hakabayadai bagajinya kop tainya unong aiktian ke All India Trinamool Congress usaket gokle. James PK Sangma ulong bagajinya kop etainya kamlong ke badan kam. Balada baro ki bun kam hakaban etainya manopat banwansa secretariat bantrei ki kam kijam.
The opposition, when you talk about, are also people who have been in the ruling government. There have been many accusations which have been hurled against them, and they are also answerable for all those accusations. But just to throw stones and just to point fingers at others, I think, and that too with unsubstantiated facts is, I think, unsubstantiated data is, I think, very wrong. If all the ministers in the government were to start engaging in public debates, who would come to the secretariat and who would do their work? So I think that we appreciate the concerns of Mr. Gokhale. I mean, he's very free to express his views. But then I think, challenging the Honorable Chief Minister or the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to a debate, I think that's something that's not required. People will eventually cast their vote and will eventually, whether they accept the DITC or they don't, we will have to see that after the elections in 2023. But as of now, I would just like to say that without having fought a single elections and by having just hijacked some of the MLAs and brought them into their fold. I don't think that gives them the right to say that they are the voice of the people and they represent the voice of the people. It is elections which actually give the mandate to people.
Halor ke jingkeno ke All India Trinamool Congress ba ke NPP ke lepen ken ya ke hukum ke yang syari Supreme Court. Halor ke jing mamla ban ai jing ken ya ke jing penlut dak election MLA Arhazar Khat Pra. James PK Sangma ulong ba ke All India Trinamool Congress kadai ban le ashwa ya ke homework haswa ban keno persya ke NPP namar ke seng ke labot gi kendon ke balabo daka election commission kari.
The AITC is the party which is alleged to have made that statement. I think they should go and do their homework.
What about the expenditure on buildings? NPP buildings, NPP party buildings.
Exactly. So that's what I'm saying. That I think it would be good for people of that stature, of that level of leadership, to do their homework. Without doing their homework and giving statements like this, it's very, very unprofessional. I can tell you this, that the party follows every rule that has been set by the election commission. We are very, very aware of our responsibilities as an organization as to what we are supposed to do and what we are not supposed to do, and we are very careful about all these compliances.